Servus und hallo, welcome to this new Friday vlog where I tell you about my business and how it's going. Today it is already in the evening. I will upload this on Saturday, so this was recorded about 8 hours ago or more. We got some new things that will not actually affect the current videos, but in the future the painting videos will get a new perspective and more light, as you can see right now. It is because I will put my camera on this tripod and film down here. To other things. And also I got this office light working. It is by... I would not advise, but it had a cable that went in this direction, like onto the left, and was held down by just a little clip, so I cut a hole in here and now it is working perfectly, as I may say. Like, it gives off a really nice bright light, so you can actually see what is happening down here. I have some exams next week, and after that I will get the hustle going, but I have to work at from the 9th of August, so 8 hours a day, which is normal. So the videos will be like, I will try to keep the videos going. Next thing is I'm redesigning my base storage system. Let me show you what's wrong and then tell you how I fixed it. Right here you can see all these small boxes that I designed and printed. They don't quite satisfy me, because if I want, like, here's 40 and here's 70. If I want a 70, I have to pull all the things out. They are not connected in any way. So I designed this. This is a 10 by 15 centimeter box with a small handle. I'm already on the third iteration on the handles, and this will get a sorting system. I have it drawn up in Fusion right here. I have a normal and a big size for the bigger bases that I carry, because I have 160mm bases. Down we go. To noise. And look at him, he is working. And even printing like a boss. This VO3 is printing a separator of the system. The Saturn has some inch base bases on it. Yeah, that's everything from the basement. Let's go upstairs again. So here we are again in the trusty chair. The last thing I want to tell you is that I will keep adding minis from MZ's Drive to my shop, which is linked in the video description. So if you need a mini for your D&D adventures, you can buy from me. I added all the dragons, and I also recently added Bahamut and Tiamat, big prince. The human form and the dragon form. There's a pretty interesting thing, hopefully coming, which I will tell you maybe next week, if I can, if I'm allowed to. And yes, I will see you in the next video. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.